Ella AI is a brand new software that's taking the AI world by storm. And if you're looking to level up your digital marketing or just curious about the newest tools to hit the market, this is one you can't afford to miss. In this Ella AI review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, and I promise by the end, you'll understand exactly how this could change the way you approach AI in your business. First things first, Ella AI is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. If you've tried other AI tools before, you know they can be overwhelming. Tons of features, complicated interfaces, and confusing setups. But Ella takes a different approach. Its clean, intuitive design makes it easy for anyone, whether you're a marketing pro or a complete beginner, to dive in and start using right away. You'll find yourself up and running in minutes without needing a tech degree. One of the standout features of Ella AI is its ability to generate content at an astonishing rate. Whether you need blog posts, ad copy, email campaigns, or social media posts, Ella is designed to help you craft compelling content with minimal input. But what makes it even better is its adaptability to your unique voice and tone. This means you can maintain consistency across all your content without sacrificing quality or creativity. Another crucial aspect of Ella AI is its advanced analytics. The software doesn't just spit out content and leave you hanging, it helps you track the performance of that content too. With real-time analytics, you can see how your campaigns are performing, make data-driven decisions, and adjust strategies on the fly. If you're serious about optimizing your results, Ella's built-in reporting tools are a game changer. Let's talk integrations. Ella AI integrates seamlessly with some of the most popular platforms used in digital marketing today. Whether you're using HubSpot, MailChimp, or WordPress, you can connect Ella with your existing systems and start automating workflows without any extra hassle. It saves you time and helps streamline your processes, something we all know is critical in today's fast-paced digital world. The AI's natural language processing capabilities are top tier. Ella doesn't just write, it understands context and nuance, which means the content it creates is more than just filler. It's meaningful and engaging. If you've struggled with AI-generated content feeling stiff or robotic, this is where Ella stands out. It crafts content that flows naturally, making it suitable for everything from blog posts to customer support responses. Now, one thing you'll want to know about Ella AI is that it doesn't just stop at content generation. It also helps with automating repetitive tasks. From social media scheduling to email outreach, Ella can take care of a lot of the time-consuming tasks that would otherwise eat up your day. If you're managing a business or a growing digital marketing campaign, this feature alone can free up hours of your time. Finally, Ella AI is incredibly scalable. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur just starting or part of a large marketing team, the software adapts to your needs. It's designed to grow with you, ensuring that no matter the size of your business or team, you're always getting the best value from the software. Before you go, you can try Ella AI completely free through the first link below. It's a no-brainer if you're curious to see how this could improve your marketing efforts. After testing thousands of AI tools, I found a few that really stand out, and Ella is definitely one of them. I've listed my top recommended AI software in the description, and I truly believe these tools will take your business to the next level. So if you're ready to dive deeper, don't forget to check those links. But for now, thanks for watching.